Massive ash column rises into sky after volcano in Mexico erupts. Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano came to life with a massive eruption that spewed ash hundreds of feet into the sky. According to local media reports, the column of ash reportedly reached some 8,200 feet into the air over central Mexico. Popocatépetl is the second highest mountain in Mexico and the fifth highest peak in North America.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.